Good day, ma'am. This is the presentations of our short-term research. First of all, my name is Jeannie T. Ramos and I will presenting our study. Effectiveness of calamansi or citrus microcarpa and vinegar extract as organic pesticides against cockroach. Introductions. Cockroaches, Blattria germanica are common household pests that thrive in areas with food and moisture. They pose health risks as carriers of bacteria, fungi, and viruses, and can trigger allergies and respiratory problems. Their fast reproductive cycle and resistance to chemical insecticide make them difficult to control using conventional methods. Natural alternatives such as calamansi, citrus microcarpa, and vinegar offer a safer approach. Calamansi, a citrus fruit widely grown in the Philippines, contains natural acids and compound with antimicrobial properties. Vinegar is also acidic and can disrupt the physiology of pests. When combined, this extract may act as a natural repellent and reduce cockroach population by affecting their mobility and survival. Using calamansi and vinegar as a pest control methods is cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and accessible to households. This study aims to evaluate the effectiveness of calamansi and vinegar extract in controlling cockroach populations, providing a safer alternative to synthetic insecticide while promoting sustainable pest management practices. Objectives: First, to promote a natural pesticide using a calamansi vinegar mixture. Second, to test its effectiveness in killing or killing cockroaches. Lastly, to record and compare mortality after exposure. Treatment: T1 is control. T2, you have a 25 ml calamansi vinegar extract. T3 is 50 ml calamansi vinegar extract. T4, 75 calamansi vinegar extract. Mao siya ang atoang life cycle sa atoang cockroach. First egg, muna siyang egg sa cockroach, and then muna siya nymph, muna siya ang adult.
So methodology, preparation of materials, calamansi, vinegar, dishwashing, spray bottle, strainer. Extraction, extract the juice from the calamansi using your hands or a juicer. Pour it into a glass or bowl. Combine the calamansi juice, dishwashing liquid, vinegar in a clean glass or container. 3. Use the strainer to remove the calamansi pulp and seeds from the mixture. 4. Transfer to the spray bottle or container. Application: Please place cockroach in an experimental container. Spray each cockroach. Treatment 1, control. Treatment 2, 25 ml calamansi vinegar extract. Treatment 3, 50 ml calamansi vinegar extract. Treatment 4, 75 ml calamansi vinegar extract.
Observation. Treatment 1 control. My observation showed that the cockroaches exhibited intense twitching briefly after exposure, and they did after 3 minutes. Okay? Treatment 2, 25 ml calamansi vinegar extract. The cockroaches died within 1 minute, and they displayed twitching immediately before death. Treatment 3, 50 ml calamansi vinegar extract. They died within 50 seconds, and similar to T2, treatment 2 showed suddenly twitching just before death. Treatment 4, 75 ml calamansi vinegar extract. The fastest reaction was observed in their treatment, with cockroaches dying in 30 seconds, showing strong twitching just prior to death. Okay? Cockroaches dead faster at higher concentration of calamansi vinegar extract because it contains citric acid and acetic acid, which damage their respiratory system and body tissues. The acid causes sudden stress in their body and nervous system, resulting in twitching movements and rapid loss of respiration, leading to quicker death.
Results and discussion. The experiment showed that the mortality rate of cockroaches increased with a higher concentration of calamansi vinegar extract. Treatment 1, cockroaches survived the longest 3 minutes and exhibited twitching before death. All the cockroaches in the bottle died at the same time. Treatment 2, 25 ml extract. Mortality was 5 out of 5 cockroaches dying within 1 minute with twitching observed. In treatment 3, 50 ml extract, all cockroaches, 5 out of 5, died faster, within 50 seconds, showing the same twitching behavior. In treatment 4, 75 ml extract, cockroaches died the quickest 30 seconds with intense twitching just before death. Mortality was 5 out of 5. This indicates that the citric acid in calamansi and the acetic acid in the vinegar act as a toxic agents, disrupting the cockroach's respiratory and nervous system, leading rapid paralysis and death. Higher concentrations cause faster mortality, showing a clear dose-dependent effect.